Gemini. So, welcome po sa Scorpio Walk Tarot mga kapatid. Another weekend, October 8 to 14 Gemini. So, welcome po sa aking channel. Sa mga OFW na kaibigan ko rin na kapatid ko na OFW, fellow OFW. OFW din po ako kaya I always say hello to mga OFW. So shout out po kayo kung nasaan tayo, magkwentuhan tayo, magkape-kape tayo. Ha? Tignan natin kung makaresonate. Kung makaresonate, salamat po. Yan, i-wish, mo na yan, manifest mo na pera, magpapasko na. Kung hindi po ma-resonate, kasi general reading po okay? So, wag pilitin. Okay? Darating at darating yung swerte mo. Okay? Gabriel. Okay? Archangel Raphael. Talagang binubusinahan yung ingay na darating na si Gemini. Okay? Darating na si Gemini. Maghanda kayo at madaming pera. Kasi nga, meron ka bang Capricorn, Gemini? Okay? Gemini na into a failed relationship ba yun? O wag naman sana. Okay? And you always want that happiness, that true happiness. Who doesn't like that? Yeah? Okay. Gemini, October 8 to 14. Tignan natin yung energy ni Gemini. Mabilis Okay. I will take it an upright. Okay? New beginning, negosyo, new offer, trabaho, new house, foundation. Okay? Yan na siguro yung judgment na sinasabi ko kanina. So, judgment, yung fulfillment ng kung ano man yung pinaghirapan mo. Okay? So, Gemini, ikaw ito, gusto mo magdesisyon, clarity, gusto mo magkaroon ng bagong pag-ibig, gusto mo na equality, at para sa'yo, that's what makes you happy. Period. Yeah? Okay? New offer, nagdesisyon ka, happy. Nagtayo ka ng negosyo, itinuloy mo, hindi ka na lang tumambay-tambay, hindi ka na nag-isip-isip lang. You put effort on that one. You found emotional balance. Okay? Are you dealing with Leo, Gemini? Okay? So, that's the storyline. Meron ba ganyan, Gemini? Shout out po ako. Tignan natin ang storyline ni Gemini. What's happening? October 8 to 14. Meron kang ginawang decision. Okay? Una, simulang lang yun. Maaring katuwaan lang sa among yourself or among your friends or whatsoever na meron kayo ng pag-usapan about something. Okay? Nasa palagay mo ay makakapagbigay sa'yo ng sabihin natin pera, practicality. Okay? Livelihood. It's all about livelihood. Meron kang desisyon na ginawa, kung ano man yung decision nyo related to that dream o napag-usapan ninyo, you look with your partner at tinanong mo, maganda bang gawin natin ito? Yes? Okay. Somebody say yes. Ng spouse mo, ng business partner mo, yes tayo. Mutual happiness for everybody. You're moving to that direction. Ayan ka, Okay, you have the offer. Sabi, tanggapin mo na ba itong offer na to? New job, etc. Yes, okay. Let's get married. Decision, happy. This is coming from a small talk only. Hindi masyadong sineseryoso. Dumating yung opportunity na yon. Okay? And now you need to grab it. The question is, did you grab it? Kinuha mo ba, Gemini? Okay? Because I do not know kung nasa stage ka na magde-decision or nakapag-decision ka na. Either way, you're gonna be happy. Yeah? Okay? Meron mga ganyan, Gemini. Oh, okay. Ayan, ikaw, the lover. Okay. If this is a partnership na bumulaga sa'yo, relationship, you're in deciding mode. Okay? Kumbaga sa kinikilig-kilig ka. Okay? Yeah, okay, let's party time kasi willing ka bang magpakasal? Solid foundation. Okay? Kung yun ang ino-offer, kasi you want to decide. What's the reason behind na gusto mo mag-decide? What is the reason behind na gusto mo mag-decide? You're checking the offer. The offer came in. Ngayon, napapagod ka na rin sa ibang sitwasyon. I do not know how this relates to the situation now. Okay? Maaring yung tinanggap mong partnership, sinagot mong inibig mo, inirog mo, or whatsoever, nakapag-decide ka noon and you suddenly feel na it's not something working out. Okay? Inspired action. Okay? Inspired action need a solid reaction, foundation. Okay, a lot of decision making on that one. Bago tayo, hindi po darating yung kaligayahan na yan, natutunganga lang. Or hindi ka magde-decision or indecision. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Okay. Nagdesisyon ka, Gemini. Okay? Ngayon, ang dynamics nito, nakikita ko kasi si Gemini, naghahanap ng twin brother niya and twin sister na validation. Yeah? Ganun po tayong lahat. Pero si Gemini, palaging hindi makaka-decide yan until such time na itanong niya kay Libra na, okay ba itong bibilhin kong, as simple as that, okay ba itong bibilhin kong sapatos? Yes. Ngayon, mayroong counter question niyaan, anong kulay ang maganda at bagay? Yes? Yan. And you finally made that decision and now you are fully independent. You are within your power. Yung energy mo na you are empower. Okay? I see here somebody I see because of this dove here. Okay? You're at peace with yourself after you made that decision. Kung hindi ka pa nagde-decide, okay? Kung nakapag-decide ka na, you feel empowered. Kung hindi mo pa nade-decide, you feel that would give you more power, okay? It gives you that power, okay? It's progressing. It is progressing. You've been doing that. Pinagtsatsagaan mong gawin day and night, okay? Kung anong project ito, your relationship, your yung dynamics noong sa mag-asawa or partner, okay? Alam nyo, when you're trying to build a family, easy to say that. Yeah? Easy to say that. Okay? Ang dami mong maliliit na bagay na desisyon na saan ka a simple thing, from kakainin mong pagkain, pati yung gamit mo sa bahay, those kind of thing. And you're always looking for that validation. Hinahanap mo na kailangan yung decision mo na gagawin, palaging dapat mayroong confirmation dun sa kabila. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? That there is a confirmation? Kasi, lumipad. Okay. Are you dealing with Capricorn? Yes. So, negativity, lies, addiction, codependence, ano ba tawag dito? Walang sawang paggastos ng walang kwenta, chismis, all type of negative, lasinggera, okay? Bakit dumating siya dito, itong energy na ito? Okay? yung ba ang dinedesisyonan mo at kino-question mo kung tama ba yung ginawa mong desisyon in the past, or natatakot kang magdesisyon kasi alam mo yung once you make that decision, alam mo yung mangyayari doon sa relationship na yun kasi meron siyang history. Okay? I see somebody na yung relationship na ito is progressing. Yes? There's a new beginning. Ngayon, nagkaroon ka lang ng indecision. Well, naghahanap ka ng decision. You're looking for the right, you want to make sure na you're gonna make that right decision kasi you want to be happy. Everybody knows that. You're looking for that Gemini balance na yung emotional level mo is kung ano yung cup, the same equal offer. As far as your situation, you are fine, or also you're also working out yung relationship. If you're alone as a individual, single Gemini who is about to open to accept a relationship, you are happy being single. There's no problem on that. If this decision na you have a partner, Gemini, you are struggling sometimes on to make yung make both ends meet. Okay? Why? Somebody in this relationship is dysfunctional. Okay? Somebody in this relationship is dysfunctional. O ikaw yun. Again, okay, it works both way. It works both way. Yeah. I-summarize ko siya. Merong opportunity, blessing, to consider it blessing, okay? New beginning. Kailangan mo mag-decide. This is related to the heart. You know, sa palagay mo, it will make you happy. Definitely. Merong mga bali-balita, naririnig, mga somehow sumisilip-silip sa'yo whether tama yung gagawin mong decision. Why? Kasi as far as your dynamic, kung single ka, you're happy being alone. You like that independence. Pinagtrabahuhan mo din yan eh. Now, if you enter in that relationship, kung itong Gemini na to enter into relationship already na you know that in somebody in that dynamics ng relationship is dysfunctional. The question is that something that worries you or you want to make a decision? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Okay, so ano ang gusto mo mangyari? If this is the situation happening to you right now. Yeah? Anong gusto mo mangyari dito? Okay, tingnan natin. Anong gusto mo nangyari? Anong tanong mo na kailangan mo magdesisyonan? Nakita ko na yung nakita ko na yung issue mo kay Capricorn at saka kay Libra. Kung meron pong kayong close friend na ganyan, okay? So, yun ang mga personality na nasa harap ko ngayon aside from kay Gemini. Tignan natin. What would be the choice of Gemini in this situation? Anong choices mo? Okay, mabagal yung dating na hinihingi mo, or mabagal yung partner mo na i-commit yung sarili. Yeah? Intuition. Naglalaro na rin sa isip mo. You know what to expect. You know what to expect also. Okay? Hindi ka masaya doon sa ano. Actually, parang hindi ka masaya doon sa bagong offer. Okay. Again, okay. Okay. It doesn't mean that ace is a new beginning, palaging maganda. I mean, yeah, it definitely is a new beginning. Pero sa sitwasyon na ito, you're starting to doubt whether that offer is something na tatanggapin mo. Okay? Nagduda ka. Hindi lahat ng job offer na in-offer sa'yo maganda. Yes, definitely, it's a new beginning. Kailangan mo ng trabaho or naghahanap ka ng new job. Pero among the offer na dumating sa'yo, yung gusto mong offer, hindi dumating sa'yo kasi yung the rest, ano lang yun, substandard. Yeah? Merong ganyan. Okay? Merong ganyan. Kasi ito parang sa palagay mo lang okay? Itong offer na to sa palagay ko ba ay makapagpapasaya sa akin? You are looking to that. Yung offer nasa likod mo na, okay? Yun yung mga job offer whatsoever. Ang bagal pa nga Ngayon, naghahanap ka ng balanse. Meaning yung gusto mong, kung yung tatanggapin mong offer, makapagpapasaya sa'yo. Yun ang goal mo okay? Now, based on what's happening here, it look like, kasi you want to enter, pag pumasok ka dyan, you're gonna enter into a partnership. Commitment yan Gemini is looking for a balance in the commitment. Okay? Ayaw niyo mo ni Gemini na, kasi ito ang mai-offer ko Ito, ikaw, Gemini kilala mo yung sarili mo na solid yung mai-offer mo, pagmamahal, pati yung emotional support, pati yung financial support, tatrabahuhin mo yan. Pero somebody in that dynamics, dysfunctional, and you know that all the while, all along. Yeah. You know that all along. Yung radar noong the high priestess, intuition and everything, nakakonect sa'yo. Okay, ito yan Okay. Ikaw itong queen of sword, and the queens of sword sinasabi dito. Okay. Una, yung offer napakabagal, sabi. Pangalawa, yung offer hindi balanse. Yeah? So the queen of sword is saying, oo nga, yun ang offer. So would that make you happy? Yun ang gusto mong itanong, skek, the high priestess. Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Yeah. That's what you're asking. Yan, sarili, again, ito yung not for everybody, relationship nag-went, sour, na ngayon, na bumabalik, or yung ganun lang, I don't see any separation here, or kumbaga sa sabing ganun, magbabago na ako. Yan yan Meron bang ganyan? Yeah. Nakakarinig ka pa minsan ng chismis. Nakakarinig ka pa ng chismis. Baka yung offer na yun hindi pa sa nanggaling dun sa nag-o-offer. This is what I can see here. Nanggaling lang sa ano bang maganda example, yung si Kwan, nagbago na siya, bakit hindi kayo magbalikan? Ganon type. Hindi yung kaibigan mo ang sabi pa. Si Capricorn pa yung nagsabi. Kasi Capricorn to, the devil card. Meron po bang ganyan, Gemini? Yeah, yun ang mo. Yun ang dilemma. I can see here a dilemma. Yung offer, not all offer is okay. That's what it is. Kasi hindi ka magtatanong dito sa tinatanong mo, tama ba yung kung bumili ka ng prutas tama po ba yung timbang niyan? Ngayon kung tama yung timbang, and then masaya. Yeah. As simple as that. So, October 8 to 14, well, hindi ko alam kung ano ang magiging decision mo dito. This is something na ongoing ito, Gemini. So, hindi ano ito. Not another easy situation. Okay? So, kung sa trabaho ito, hindi rin ganun kadali ito. It's not something easy. Maraming dynamics na nakapaligid dito. Oops. Okay. Hindi ko siya kunin. Ano ko ulit. Sorry, Gemini. I was thinking something. Okay. Gemini. Kuha tayo ng isang card. Kuha tayo ng isang card, Gemini. Okay. Isang card. Okay. Gemini. October 8 to 14. Ano pa yung message mo? Ano bang clarity at decision? What direction anong pwedeng hintayin ni Gemini for the meantime? Ano ba ang gusto niya pang mangyari? How can he or she? Okay. Oops. Nagalit na. Dalawa yung tumalon po. Wait. Okay. Oops, sorry. Gumalaw yata. Blue, ano ito? Blue moon. Yung isa, half to full moon. Okay? Sabi dito, now is a powerful time to set long-term goals and sow seeds for the future. Okay? Long-term goals. What is the long-term goals here? Okay? Ito. The new beginning. Kung ano man yung new beginning na darating kasi you're making a decision. I can see, Gemini, kapag there's no right or wrong sa decision. Okay? It's always when you make a decision, kakalimutan mo na yung nakaraan. Agree? Ganun tayo eh. Kasi napili mo na yung sapatos at kung anong kulay. That's a new beginning. How you gonna use that new shoes is something for you to decide later on. Pero binigyan ka ng universe ng bagong shoes. That's how it is. So, make the most out of it. Now is a powerful time to set long-term goals and sow seeds for the future. Okay? Kung sa palagay mo it's a good decision, I think, and also looking for having a family and to have a baby, it's a good time for you also. Yung portal is open. Yeah? Another one, sabi dito, this is not only about having a child or something. So, a new business, kung sumabit, because merong dysfunctional, it's a new beginning as well. So, claim it, Gemini. So, ano pa yung sabi ng isa dito? Embracing high levels of motivation and energy will bring feelings of empowerment and satisfaction. Did I say the word empowerment a while ago? I-rewind mo yung video ko, Gemini. Yeah. So, tatlong ang bilog-bilog ng pera. Okay? So, it's your decision. I cannot, this is ongoing, okay? Hindi po ako magbibigay ng decision. Kasi, but something positive, the universe gave you the answer. Okay? You just need to claim it, okay? When we claim, I myself, ganun din po ako. When I claim something, I work towards it. Wag po tayong mag-claim and then tutunganga. When you claim, you need to work for it. Yan ang 3D world. Yeah? Okay, Gemini. It's October 8 to 14. So, this is a nice reading. A little heavy. Parang nawala yung kinain kong tanghalian. Pero, so, sana po masaya tayo. Ingat po. See you again.